Hello again. You may have heard that there's a hurricane in the East Atlantic, Hurricane Ophelia, which is a Category 2 hurricane at the moment with sustained winds of 105 miles an hour. Now, as it works its way towards the British Isles, it will be downgraded, but it will bring some windy weather and also some fairly warm weather across our shores. The warm waters that are feeding the hurricane at the moment, as it becomes into the latter part of the weekend, it leaves that warmer water across the western side of the Iberian Peninsula, tracking its way towards the British Isles, bringing some very strong winds through the day on Monday and some heavy rain, particularly across the western half of the British Isles and into Ireland. There are weather warnings in force at the moment. But there's a second half to this story, because engulfed within this hurricane is some very warm tropical air, which, as we work through this weekend, will begin to push its way towards the British Isles. And by Monday, particularly for the south and the east, where the winds will be lighter, we could see temperatures as high as 25 degrees Celsius. So, for the early part of next week, there is an ex-hurricane edging its way towards the UK, which will affect us. It is no longer a hurricane, but it will do two things. It will bring some warm weather towards the east of the UK, but it will be fairly windy out towards the west. We'll keep you updated on all that, though, right here on 5 News.